Hello guys, welcome once again to my tutorial on how to solve word problems under linear equations. In our previous video we have solved the example 1. In this video we are going to solve the example 2. So if you've not watched the first video, please go back and then watch that video to find the solution to the first example. In this tutorial I'm going to solve the example 2. It's going to be very quick but detailed. So pay attention and then watch what I'll be teaching you here for free. Alright, so the example, in this example, the question says Lisa is the name of a person. Lisa is 16 years younger than Kathy, also a name of a person. If the sum of their ages is 30, how old is Lisa? This is very simple. So Lisa, there are two people there, Lisa and then Kathy. But then we know that Lisa is 16 years younger than Kathy. We don't know Kathy's age, but they are telling us that Lisa is 16 years younger than Kathy. So first we need to know Kathy's age. Then we know that Lisa will be 16 years younger than what Kathy will be. So what we are going to do is that we need to let a variable, since we don't know Kathy's age, we let a variable represent Kathy's age. So we say that let Kathy's age be equal to a variable like y, or if you want me to still use x, fine. So let Kathy's age be what? X years. Then Lisa's age will be what? Lisa's age will be equal to, they say Lisa is 16 years younger. In word problems or in linear equation word problems, when we say younger, it means negative or minus. So Lisa is 16 years younger than Kathy, meaning that we write from our left, Lisa is 16 years younger. So 16, then the minus will come back, younger than Kathy. Kathy is x, so 16 younger Kathy. So it will be like this, as you can see on the screen, 16 younger than Kathy, which is, in other words, is x minus 16. So now that we know the ages of these two people in terms of variables, we are just going to go to the second statement. If you can watch from my left hand side, watch what I'm going to highlight. It says if the sum of their ages is 30, how old is Lisa? So now the sum of their ages, that means Lisa plus Kathy will be equal to what? 30. So we are just going to do substitutions here. Wherever we see Lisa, we put Lisa's age there. Wherever we see Kathy, we put Kathy's age there in terms of the variables we have over there. So Lisa is x minus what? 16 plus Kathy is what? Just x. Then all this should be equal to what? 30, because the sum of their ages is what? 30. Sum means addition in mathematics. So then we have x minus 16 plus x equal to 30. We are just going to group items here. So x plus x will be equal to 30 plus 16. So 30 plus 16, because the 16 because they equal to sign, so it will become plus. So here we are going to get 2x equal to what? 30 plus 16 will give us what? 46. Alright. So 2x equal to 46. We are going to divide both sides by 2. By 2. That means left hand side by 2, right hand side by 2. So 2x divided by 2, we are going to get x. And then 46 divided by 2, we are going to get 46 divided by 2. What are we going to get? We are going to get 23. So it means that x is what? 23. In other words, it means that Kathy is what? 23 years old. But now look at what the question is saying. It says, how old is Lisa? It's rather asking for Lisa. So Lisa, we know that from the equation, Lisa is equal to what? X minus 16. So in this case, we are just going to substitute the variables over there, which is going to be equal to X now is 23. So 23 minus what? 16. Then 23 minus 16 will give us what? Will give us, that is 3 and 4, that will be 7 years. So 7 years old. That means Lisa will be 7 years old. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and then make sure that you subscribe to our channel, share this video to your friends and even those that might need this video. Thank you and once again, and then subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.